what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're new here, hi, I'm Natalie. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. You get a little bit of everything here on my channel. Sometimes I try to be funny and it doesn't really work, so I apologize for that in advance. So if you're new here, before you start watching this hair care video, which is what you came here to see, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me. And also hit the notifications. That'll let you know when I upload new videos. If you like this, then you can know whenever my new content comes out. But to see how I take care of my somewhat getting long curly hair and keep it from dying every day, just go ahead and keep on watching this video. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm fresh out the shower with looking like a drowned rat, but it's fine, I accept it. So obviously I did not have you in the shower with me, but I will tell you what products I use in the shower while I'm doing my hair. Just helps me keep my hair nice and soft as it can be. I have curly hair, so it tends to get dry naturally, just as it is. It's pretty dry, and so I try to really keep it nice and soft, so I use a lot of moisturizing products. So I'll go ahead and show you what I use while I'm in the shower. All I ever do in the shower, I'll occasionally do like a hair mask, but it's not an everyday thing. But I use the Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner. I do not shampoo every day either. I don't have a set schedule. I shampoo usually like every 3 days. I've noticed like 3 or 4 days. If I work out really hard or if one day I get really sweaty, I will then shampoo it that day as well. But I use the Herbal Essences Deep Moisture Hello Hydration, and it's got like coconut essences and stuff in it. So it's got made with coconut oil and all that kind of stuff that's good for you. I just noticed this really hydrates my hair. When I do shampoo, I do not shampoo all the way down to my ends because my ends are always the driest part. I just keep it up towards my scalp, get the oil out, and then when I condition, I start with conditioner towards my ends and then work it up because that's where I need most moisture and this is where I need the least moisture. So that's what I use when I'm in the shower. Now that I'm out the shower, as you can see, I have my sopping wet hair, and I don't really put anything in it. I just take my wide tooth comb that's got some fun hairs in it, and I start at my ends, and I just brush up towards my scalp. I try and really not pull as much as possible because even if you aren't actually pulling hair out, when you use a more fine tooth comb or even a brush and stuff, you're putting stress on your hair that is then going to let it break more easily in future times. So I try and put the least amount of stress on my hair as I can, just letting it like pull as little as possible. But I still want to get all those knots out because your girl's not about to have some tangly hair, even though it ends up getting tangly anyways because it's curly, but it's fine, I accept it. Keep on brushing the hairs, get all them tanglies out. And I kind of like part my hair, not really though. I usually just brush it all back like this once it's pretty all done with the tangles. And then I kind of just like let it go where it normally parts. Ow. Sometimes my hair does not work with not being tangly, no matter how much conditioner I put in it. It's like, nope. Ow. I still want to be tangy. Then in all honesty, sometimes towards the end I just end up running my fingers through it, fluffing it a little bit, and then I flip the hair. And then I do my part. Usually if I just go like that, it'll usually fall pretty much where I want it. Then I just have to like place the rest of it. And then run fingers through one more time, get the last little bit of tangies out. Okay, and then the hair is all brushed through, even though that took for freaking ever. It's fine. What I use to help moisturize my hair throughout the day and also help shape my curls is the OGX, which is Beauty Pure and Simple, the Quenching and Coconut Curls. It is frizz-defying curl styling milk, and it says on here, drench your curls. This milky cream blend with coconut oil, sweet honey, and a twist of citrus oil helps to enhance natural softness, boost decadent spirals, and tame frizz for beautiful tumbling waves with bounce and shine. It also smells really freaking good. So I really love it, and it does really help me with my frizz. I usually just take in my palm about like 1.5 pumps, sometimes 2 pumps. It really depends on how dry my hair is, and I just rub it. Oh, it smells so coconutty. I always get so many compliments. And I start at the ends of my hair, just like I do with conditioner, and work my way up towards the top. And I don't do a ton of scrunching because scrunching is really just going to cause some more frizz. But since I did just like brush through it and that kind of pulls out some of my natural curl, what I do a little bit of just like grabbing it and then I hold it there for a few seconds. I wish I could speak in full sentences. And then really use heat on my hair. I've been trying to grow out my hair for a long time and it's been somewhat working, but I found that as I use less heat and just use more natural products and stuff on my hair, it's helped it stay a lot healthier and grow a lot more. So I've also been interested in taking possibly biotin. I've heard is really good for hair growth, but if you guys have any other hair growth like medicines or whatever, or any of those like natural supplements that you found is good for growing hair and stuff like that, comment them down below because I'm super interested in finding something that I can use to help grow my hair, especially since I'm trying to get it long now for like pageants and having it nice and healthy and full and all that kind of stuff. So really that's about all that I do while it's wet. I have one final step that I do when it's dry, but I will go ahead and I usually do my makeup while my hair is still wet, and then I do this last step when it's dry. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and everything, and I will catch y'all when my hair is dry to show you the final step. Okay guys, so I'm back here. My hair is mainly dry. It's still a little damp, but I just let it air dry. I don't know if I clarified that in the other part of the video. So here, now that it's just mainly dry, still a little damp, my last step that I do for my hair is I have some hair oil that I put on the ends of it. I use, once again, it's by OGX, the brand OGX. It's Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. How I found out about this, I was actually at orientation at Bowling Green, and one of the girls there had super long, just super shiny, lovely hair, and I was like, how did you do that? Can you please share with me your secret? And she said, literally, I don't really do much except for I use this hair oil on the ends because it helps keep them shiny, helps keep it from like getting tangly, and it just keeps it really healthy on the ends. And I was like, bet. So your girl obviously went out and got it. It smells really nice. So all I do with this is it's just got a spray, and I take and I flip my hair to like each side, and I give it a nice few sprays on each side. Just enough to make sure that it's nice and oily. And then I will scrunch it a few last times. And that's pretty much all I do for my hair care. And then I'm just like ready to go for the day, and I let it go. Let it go. No, I just let my hair do what it wants to do because I found out trying to tame it, it's not an option. Anyways, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave some future video requests down in the comments below. Also tell me your favorite hair care items that you use to keep your hair healthy and also help it grow. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!